Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I just got a super sweet package from Denise Winters, who sent me some awesome things that she found to pour through and she thought I might like them. So I don't actually know where she got this from. Hopefully she sees this video and she lets us all know, because I know you guys are gonna wanna know where it came from, especially if this comes out super awesome. I thought I would basically do this kind of like an open cup pour. It does have these little kind of flowery slats there that I think are gonna it's gonna be interesting. I don't know, I make no promises. And I had my Facebook supporters pick the colors. So they picked mostly peacock colors. And then the last person threw in a pink at the end, which I think will be good. I feel like I may need to raise this up as I go. The colors don't seem to be coming out on its own. I think it's just a little too heavy. But we've got electric pink there, purple, some turquoise there. Let me lift this up a little. And then the emerald green and some gold. Yeah, this is not gonna come out on its own, so that's fine. And I do have this up on my spinner, because I think in general this will probably be a good project to spin out. So I'll go ahead and speed this up, because I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'll pour it in and then let it out slowly, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, that was pretty time consuming. I think the next time I will definitely raise this up a little bit on something, but I think we still can end up with something really interesting here. And there is a lot of color underneath here. I am gonna torch this, so hopefully getting rid of the air bubbles helps bring a little bit of it up. And then of course we're gonna spin it out also, which, you know, can spread that color out. I'm gonna tilt just very slightly to center it a little bit better. And I don't know if you noticed, but I did throw some sapphire blue in there too. I thought that would look kind of cool with this color combination. So here we go. That is wild. I am loving the outside area. I don't like this kind of awkward square in here, but the outside, man, is amazing. So that's why I think also raising it up, we won't get this, but we won't get this either. So I might just have to try these colors again with an open cup. Let's give it one more spin here. Okay. Well, let this sit here for a little while, and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so here we go for the close-up. Check out this amazingness on the outside here. Super gorgeous. And I do love this inside part as well. I wish there wasn't quite the harsh line there, but I actually think I like this. And definitely love the colors. This really is reminding me of a Morning Glory. So stay tuned. At least another 1 or 2 videos coming out with this same exact tool. And then she sent me a couple other things to try out. So thank you so much, Denise. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time.